In this video, I'm going to show you how to find last year's tax return on TurboTax. So there's actually two ways of doing it, and I'm going to show you both. Now, the first one, once you're inside your TurboTax account and you're logged in, what you want to do is select Documents over here on the left. And over here, you want to select the year you want to see your tax return for. So for example, if it's the previous year, for now, for me, it's 2024. But if it's a different year for you, you can click over here on this year, and it will show you basically a drop-down menu where you can select which year you would like to view. So for me, 2024. And after that, in case you have any contents from last year in here, you want to simply press the button which will say download tax PDF. If you don't see anything, but you are sure that you have already done this last year, what may happen is that you have logged in with a different account by mistake. So simply sign out of TurboTax and sign in with the same account you signed in the previous year, and you were doing taxes with the previous year. So it's very important you are on the same account. If you're not, you won't be able to see this regardless whether you filed that last year or not. So again, make sure you're using the same account. So that's the first way. And the second way is you can go to Tax Home over here, and you can scroll down to the very bottom of the page where it says your tax returns and documents, and you simply want to click on that, and over here you want to select the year you want and then select download or print return PDF. So it's going to show you the previous years over here, and simply download or print the return PDF. So of course, over here as well, you want to make sure you are logged in with the same account you were logged in the previous year. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.